Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Motorists could soon be paying more to use the Highway 2000 North-South link. The government has published proposed new toll that would see motorists traveling the full length of the highway between Caymanas and Ocho Rios, paying $2,610 each way for a Class 1 vehicle, an increase of $115 or 4.6% over the current rate. Now that would bring the cost of a round trip to $5,220. Operators of larger vehicles would face even steeper charges, with Class 3 trucks paying $7,830 one way or $15,660 for a return trip. The proposed increases follow an annual toll adjustment application submitted by the Jamaica North-South Highway Company Limited.
In the meantime, the government is defending the latest toll rate increases, saying they are required under legally binding concession agreements negotiated by the former PNP administration. The Ministry of Energy, Transport and Telecommunications, Daryl Vaz, says the contracts signed with private concessionaires tie annual toll adjustments to changes in the U.S. Consumer Price Index and the Jamaica-U.S. exchange rate, leaving current and future governments bound by those terms. Transport Minister Daryl Vaz says the government is seeking discussions with the concessionaires to arrive at more affordable toll rates. He adds that during negotiations for the Maypen to Williamsfield Highway, the administration secured a lower maximum toll cap and a better revenue sharing arrangement, which it says will provide long-term savings for motorists.
These arrangements and contractual arrangements were made in 2001 and 2012 by a then PNP administration. All governments are bound to these contracts, which ultimately affect the Jamaican people.